Here's the HR department report showing you the status of employees working in an organization, how the count of them have varied education-wise, the country-wise, department-wise, and various other attributes. So I'll begin explaining this report from this card visuals that you see as a first row of this report, which shows you the total count of employees working in the organization, how the count of male and female is varying in the second card, how many people in organization are working, how many have resigned, and further amongst the working employees, how many are working as full-time, part-time, and contractual. Next, if you come below, you will see that I have also placed certain slicers on this report which help me to slice and dice the data as per my choice. So I can simply show you from the year. Here what you see is my from 2011 till 2021 year record. From this, if I'm just selecting few years, 2011, 14 and 16 only, so only for these 3 years right now you will see, okay, once again I'll just go by multiple selection, so only for these selected year you will see the record in the visual. So this is how slicer affect the data in your visual. Similarly, if I choose any country also, for suppose I want to see for selected country, I want to see how many employees are working in that particular selected countries. So for that, again I'm going back Australia, France, and suppose India. 3 countries I've selected here. Only for these 3 countries you will see the visual getting placed. So this is how slicer simply work over here in the visual. Now again I'm selecting all and coming back to the report again. Now here, this visual that you see here, which is hiring versus attrition, shows you how many employees were hired in an year, a month-on-month basis, and how the attrition has varied each year, each month. So first you will see this very bar is of January month, and this blue line simply shows you the attrition. So January month simply gives you total hiring of 146 employees, and this is the attrition. So resigned employees are simply 1 in that January month, and each month they have hiring also increased somehow, and accordingly resignations by 1 or 2 other reason have also come up. Now what were the reasons of people resigning the organization are stated in the second visual. Here you can see these are all the reasons why employees left the organizations, and here you see that which were the reason mostly preferred by people for leaving the organization. So least preferred reason was better opportunity, and maximum preferred reason was better remuneration getting from different organization. So this is how we read the particular report. And below you can see the employees count varying according to the education of employees, countries wise, how globally organization is having employees count working everywhere, how department wise employees count has varied, and here you see the role wise employees count varying. So that's all about the report, and same you can also create with the help of a very powerful tool known as Power BI. Thank you.